Overall tone: energetic, empowering, and straight talking, breaking down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps. Ever look at the price of one Bitcoin or one Ethereum and feel that knot in your stomach? Seeing those 4, 5, or even 6-figure price tags can be intimidating. It creates this illusion that you need to be rich to even play the game. But I'm here to tell you that is a complete myth. The scariest thing in crypto isn't the volatility, it's the misconception that you need a fortune to make one. The truth is, you can start with just a few dollars. The real key isn't the size of your initial investment, it's the strategy behind it. Today, we're tearing down that wall. This is your step-by-step guide to navigating the crypto world on a budget and strategically positioning yourself for massive growth. Alright, step 1. Know your enemy. And when you're investing on a budget, your number one enemy is fees. These little gremlins can eat your investment alive before it even has a chance to grow. We're talking about deposit fees, trading fees, and the often crippling withdrawal fees. On some networks, it can cost you $50 just to move your crypto to safety. If you're starting with $100, that's half your investment gone in a blink. The goal is to make your money work for you, not for the exchanges. So, how do you fight back? Be smart. Use platforms that offer fee discounts. For instance, our Coin Bureau Deals page negotiates discounts of up to 60% on major exchanges. That's not a promo, that's a strategic necessity. Protect your capital from day one. Step 2. Choose your battlefield wisely. Don't just sign up for the first exchange you've heard of. This is a critical strategic decision. First, does it even list the coins you're interested in? There's nothing worse than funding an account only to find your gem isn't there. Second, check the on-ramp and off-ramp fees. How much does it cost to get your cash in and, more importantly, out? Sometimes, using a modern digital bank as a middleman can save you a bundle compared to traditional bank wires. And crucially, check which blockchains they support for withdrawals. If you're buying a $50 token but it's on the Ethereum network, the gas fee to withdraw it might cost another $30. That's a disaster. Always check the supported networks and their associated costs before you buy. Step 3. The hunt. Choosing the right coin or token. If you're on a budget because every dollar counts, your focus should be on quality and understanding, not lottery tickets. Do your research. Listen to founder interviews. Can they explain their project in simple terms, or are they hiding behind jargon? That's a major red flag. You need to understand what you're buying and why. Also, think in terms of market cap, not just price. A $100 coin with a massive market cap has less room to grow than a $1 coin with a small, dedicated community and a solid project. Look for projects that solve real problems. Don't just chase the hype, understand the value. Step 4. A serious reality check. Let's be crystal clear. Turning $100 into $1 million overnight is a fantasy. But turning a few hundred into a few thousand over the next bull market cycle? That is a very realistic goal for a well-researched investment. We are in a building phase. Prices can still be volatile, but this is the time for strategic accumulation. The key is patience and a long-term vision. The biggest mistake beginners make is panic selling during a dip. If you believe in your research, have the courage to hold. The goal is to buy, send your coins to a secure wallet, and essentially forget about them until you start seeing crypto ads during the Super Bowl. That's your signal that the market is peaking. Step 5. Knowing when to exit. This is where most people fail. Greed is a powerful force. The secret? Have a plan and stick to it. Set a realistic profit-taking target before you even buy. If your investment hits 2x, maybe you take out your initial investment. Let the rest ride. If it hits 5x, take another chunk. This way, you secure profits and play with the house's money. The best indicator? Social sentiment. When your coin is being shilled by every account on crypto Twitter, it might be time to take some profit. When your grandma asks you about it, it's definitely time to sell. Having a disciplined exit strategy is what separates the winners from the bag holders. So, how do you turn a few bucks into billions? The honest answer: with a massive amount of luck, being incredibly early, and an iron will. Think of the Shiba Inu investor who turned $8,000 into over $5 billion. These are lottery-level events. For the rest of us, the real path to extraordinary gains is through deep involvement. This means getting into new ecosystems early, participating in token launches, qualifying for airdrops, and contributing to communities. This digital sweat equity is how you discover gems before they hit the major exchanges. It's not about magic, it's about being an active, informed participant in the space. That is the ultimate budget strategy. There you have it, a strategic blueprint for conquering crypto, no matter your budget. It's not about being reckless, it's about being smart, disciplined, and patient. If this guide empowered you, do us a favor and smash that like button. To keep leveling up your crypto knowledge, subscribe and hit the bell. And to arm yourself with the best tools from the start, check out the exclusive exchange discounts and wallet deals on the Coin Bureau website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go out there, do your own research, and build your future. See you in the next one.